This is the Excellence Club Swim Out Suite with private pool. And we'll start over here in the closet. You have a nice walk-in closet. This is where you're going to have your safe. It will definitely fit a laptop in there. You have some drawers, umbrella. Hopefully you don't need that. Plenty of hangers, but if you need more, you can call and get more. They leave you a steamer and distilled water for that. They ask you not to use regular sink water. If you need more, you can just call and get more. Some extra blankets. You have robes. They leave you brown towels to use outside, in your pool outside. So nice, really nice size closet. And it does have a door. And then into the bathroom, you have double sinks. The water closet here, pretty good size. And this has a frosted door of sorts. Shower, only one shower head, but they do have the shower head and they also have a wand. And shampoo, conditioner, and body wash is provided. And then there's also body lotion that they give you, toothpaste, a toothbrush, and a vanity kit, which is usually Q-tips. And if anybody is interested in a scale, you can have one of those, slippers, and a hair dryer. So another frosted door. And then moving on into the bedroom. What I like is that the bathroom is closed off. So a lot of, the new resorts are an open concept bathroom, which I do not care for, but I like that they close that off. So you have a nice big couch here. It's actually very big. I feel like it's not gonna show to scale in the video. And then these are the liquors that are included. And if you drink them, they'll bring you another bottle. Here's what's in the mini bar. This is all going to be restocked and refreshed daily. TV, the TV does swivel so you can see it from the bed. And then your coffee maker and some snacks. And there's also an ice bucket and an opener. And here's your very big jacuzzi tub. And going outside, we have quite a few seating options here. You have a nice little bistro table, a little chase lounge. Here's your private pool. This is actually way bigger than I thought it was going to be, way bigger. And then your pool loungers, and then your access to this pool. So there's not stairs, but there is a ladder. Yeah. So really good outdoor space here. But yeah, I'm definitely shocked at how big this private pool is. Usually when you have private pools, they're more just like plunge pools. That's actually quite large. There are no curtains to this. Maybe that's something that will be added in the future. I guess we'll find out. But that is the room. And what I'm going to do is at the end, after we stay here, I'm going to do a full sort of pros and cons and what I liked about the room and what I disliked after we live in here for a few days. And if you're interested in booking this with a travel agent, I would love to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com. You'll submit a quote request. And what a lot of people don't know is that you pay for a travel agent regardless of how you book. So let's just say you book direct on the Excellence website, you're going to pay the same exact price through me. The resort pays a commission, so whether you book with a travel agent or not, you're still paying that commission. So you're just essentially not getting a service that you already paid for. And I booked direct through the Excellence portal, so you would still get your seasons transfer, you would still have the 24-hour cancellation policy, assuming that you booked the refundable rate, and you could still have your rewards tier, all of that. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below, but I would love to get you off to paradise. But stick around to see what I like and dislike about this room category. Okay, excuse the mess because we are moving rooms, so we're a little haphazard right now, but I did promise you a little bit of in-depth information about this room. So before we totally move room categories, I want to kind of go over what I liked and what I disliked about this room. So first off, I really love that it's not an open concept bathroom. That seems to be a huge thing with their new resorts, and I love that it is totally closed off. What I dislike about it is that the doors that they have are still see-through. So if you're gonna have a door, I just would rather it be an actual door because it doesn't keep the light out and it also isn't super private. So I wouldn't necessarily feel comfortable, you know, taking a shower and having room service come or having maintenance in here or something like that. So I do appreciate that the bathroom is not totally open, but I would like to see a switch of just not glass doors. Also, the bathroom is on sensors. So the closet light, the main bathroom, and also the toilet room are all on a sensor. So when you walk in, it's going to light up, and I haven't figured out the exact timing, but it takes somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes to turn off. So if you get up at 3 a.m., you're going to light the room up enough that it's a little annoying. Now, I did want to ask maintenance because they may be able to turn off the sensor. I just haven't had a chance to do that because we had a little room issue, so I haven't had time for that. But if you are sensitive to light like I am when you're sleeping, you may want to ask if you can turn that off. I do wish that they had more storage space. If you look, there's just not a lot of room here. Like once you kind of put your toiletries out, there's just not a lot of space. I feel like they didn't design this well. There's no hooks or anything for your towels, so you just kind of have to hang your towels just randomly. It would be nice if there was like a shelf over here or just something. There really is no storage space. There are two knobs on the wall for either your robe or a towel, but that's it. There's just like really like when you first come in here, the bathroom actually feels very spacious, but in terms of like usability, I feel like it's a little tough. The shower, so it's a half glass wall. We didn't have any issues with water coming out. I have heard from neighbors that like, you know, it wasn't draining so well, so water was coming out. We had no problems with that. I do wish it was an actual full door though, because what happens is all the steam comes out into the bathroom. And so you get a little cold in the shower and then it's just your mirrors all fogged up. Additionally, the one shelf that they have in here is very far from the shower head. So it's like, okay, you're showering and then you need shampoo and you have to come over here. And sure, it's only a few steps, but now you're out where the glass is, so you're in the cold again and you just have to keep walking back and forth and back and forth. I do wish there was some sort of a bench or anything in here, you know, because like for shaving your legs, there's just nothing. There's not a bench, there's not like a little, you know, spot. And again, you're far from the water. So I don't love the shower design, but it's not the end of the world. It did get nice and hot. They do you have the rain shower and the wand, and you do those right from here. Anything else in the bathroom? I don't think so. I do like that they have the electronic do not disturb, and to clean the bathroom, not the bathroom, the whole room. I do like that. I like when I leave the room and I can just let the housekeeping know that we are ready to have somebody come in and clean. And they do have the magic box here, so if you don't want to see someone and you ordered room service or extra pillows or blankets, they can put those right in there. I like the walk-in closet. I think this is a nice feature that Excellence is doing now. Definitely a good size. I just wish, so they have the mirror in here, and this is the only place where we have a full-length mirror. I have been into a couple other rooms now, and they had full-length mirrors in other places. So if you're someone that you want to take like a dinner selfie, it doesn't look so good in the closet because you're going to have your clothes hanging. So I wish they would add a, another full-length mirror somewhere else. In addition, I also wish they would add like a little vanity or mirror setup. So they have this space, you have a very, good sized desk over here. In some other rooms, they have mirrors over here, and that would be really nice because, as I mentioned, the bathroom gets really fogged up. So I usually shower first and then my husband will shower so that way I can get ready while he's showering. It's basically impossible to do any hair or makeup because you can't see anything in the bathroom. So if this was able to have a mirror, that would sort of solve that problem. Ladies could sit here and do hair and makeup in an unfogged mirror. And then we're gonna go outside, and I'm not sure if it's an oversight or not, but I'll show you where I think there's some space that's lacking. So you have this area over here, and I feel like maybe the design was supposed to be like an outdoor shower or something to rinse off after you get out of the tub or your pool, but there's nothing here. And it's probably too late to add a shower, and I don't think you need a shower, but what might be nice is to have like a clothes hanger, or sometimes you see resorts that have like the clothes hangers that come out, because currently there's nowhere to hang anything to dry and it's been pretty windy. So I don't really know what this section is supposed to be, but it's not used right now, and it would be nice if they could, have it be, I don't know, have it be a little usable, or tell me what the space is supposed to be. And then it's probably way too late for this now, but I wish that there was a ledge somewhere to sit in your private pool. And the pool, I'm gonna estimate that it's around 4 feet deep or so, because I'm 5 feet tall and I got a little bit of space. So I think it's probably around 4 feet deep. But yeah, if they just had a nice little bench to sit, I think that would be good. I don't think there's anything else outside that I want to talk about. I can't think of anything else right now that I want to talk about. I mean, overall, I liked the room. I think specifically where we're in the first block closest to the main pool, and it's a really good area because the servers are right here, because the main pool's right there. So we were able to flag people down all day, and they checked on us to bring us cocktails and keep us hydrated. But I think overall it's a nice room. I think they can make a couple improvements to make it even better, but I liked the swim out. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them down below. And again, if you're looking to book with a travel agent, you can go ahead and reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com. And again, it's not gonna cost you any more to book with me, and it will not be a third-party booking. It would be right through the Excellence site. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video soon. Bye.